All right, here we are, phase one of the Hummer build. Here's where we're at so far. I've got a little bit of a head start. We got the Dynamat in. We put Dynamat up front and down the center in the back, and then we went over it with Killmat in the back to add a little extra help. Carpet's in, we're getting ready to lay it. We've got the base structure of the center console put together. We use some high density plastic. We've got it molded. We've got some cup holders put in it. Got it wrapped around the doghouse. We'll be finishing that off in leather. Right now the truck's in pretty much stock trim. This is phase one. Phase one includes the carpet, the sound deadening. We put some LED headlights in it from Hummer Guy, and that's pretty much where we'll be at phase one. And there are the headlights. And then from there we'll be starting phase two. Phase two will be including the soft top will go in, the soft doors will be going. We'll be putting a slant back on it from Plan B. We'll be putting a metal roof and aluminum doors on it. Well, aluminum roof and aluminum doors also from Plan B. And that will be the second phase. And then from there we'll be moving on to doing some leather work and some suede work on the roof and a center console up top. We've laid down the purchase for our Duramax truck that we're going to use for our conversion, and we'll be picking that up next week sometime, and that'll add another whole dimension to this truck once we get that far. But right now we're kind of worried about cleaning her up, make it a little more comfortable. Haven't quite figured out what we're going to do about seats yet, but from here we'll be laying carpet. Stay tuned.